Hi, I'm Crispy Bacon, and this is how my 4th day in Swinecraft went. I had my good friend with me to help me. It was Superham. Say hi, Superham.
Hi, I'm awesome. Today we will be talking about what we did. Our day started off fine. We were just hanging out, having a good time. Then a sheeper came out of nowhere and scared us off. We got tired and saw a portal, so we went in. Crispy Bacon and I forgot about the Ender Dragon. It was time to take out the trash. We thought it was safe to go, but boy were we wrong. I just lost Crispy Bacon forever. But then I just realized that he could respawn. I took out the Ender Dragon once and for all. And that's how Crispy Bacon's 4th day in Swinecraft went.